fam. So today we're doing this really pretty red and black and silver crying skeleton look. I'm sorry I have so many skeleton or skull looks on my channel. I just really love doing them because you can do so many things with it, and you guys really like them as well, so I hope I'm not doing too many, if you know what I mean. But I'm really loving this look and I hope you guys do too. I was inspired by this candlestick that we got at Walgreens. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Beautybyjosiek. It's free, and if you click that little red button down there and then click the bell notification on, you will never miss another one of my videos, including all of my glamoween videos, and you'll become a part of the glam fam. It's glamoween on my channel, which means I upload multiple Halloween themed videos during the month of October, and if you guys have any requests, leave them down in the comments below and I will look at them. I also have a Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. They're also at Beautybyjosiek. Without further ado, let's get into this glamoween tutorial. Alright guys, so we're going to start off by painting our face and upper chest with this silver mehron paint. If you're going to be wearing this out on Halloween, I would suggest just painting everything that is going to show. And don't forget to paint your ears. Painting your ears can really bring your character together, or it can really ruin your character if they are unpainted. And then going in with the Krylon aqua color, we're going to use the gray and the black and start to map out our skull mouth. I like to do this in a lighter color than black, only because it's more forgiving. And then once we have it mapped out, we are then going to map and shadow our teeth. I like to create the shadow between the teeth before I go in and draw the teeth, only because it is easier to draw the teeth on top of the shadow than to draw the teeth and then go in and shadow around the teeth. So make your life easier and shadow your teeth before you draw your teeth on. Then taking a red body paint out of that Krylon palette, we are going to draw our teeth on, and we are going to focus the flat side of our teeth towards the line and our mouth, and then kind of drag it out into a triangle shape, and then that will give the illusion of the teeth going into the shadows. So after we're done with that, we are going to paint our eyebrows red with that same red paint. And then we are going to go in with some eyeshadow. First, I went in with some red eyeshadow, and I went in multiple times with multiple layers because it's easier to add more a little at a time than to mess up and add a whole bunch and then have to try and fix your mistake. After you have the opacity as bright as you want it, I went under my eye as well with that red color. And I also shaded my collarbones with that same red color. And then I went in with a charcoal black color onto the lids, and I'm just blending that up into the red color. And then once we blend that on the top and the bottom, we're gonna go in with the black body paint and trace over our outline of our skull. And then we're gonna go in between the teeth with the black as well. And this is going to give them really, really nice detail and make it look more dimensional. And then we're going to go in with that charcoal black again, and we are just going to blend out in between each of the teeth just to bring even more dimension and shading to this look. And then I'm just going to shade in my jaw on the skull, and I'm going to let that dry. And while that is drying, I'm going to add some really pretty silver glitter onto just the lids of this eye look. And then I'm going to add a super dramatic fun wing. And then I decided that this smoky eye wasn't blended out far enough. I wanted it to be a super blown out smoky eye, so I just added more of that red eyeshadow and blended it out. And then I'm moving on to the jaw piece, and we are just going to shade that in with that charcoal black color that we've been using this whole time. And then once we are done with that, we are going to go in with some red body paint and draw on our tears. And once we have our tears filled in, we are going to add a white highlight to each tear with some white body paint. And then we're gonna add our lashes and a wig, and this look is complete. Alright Glam Fam, that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Beautybyjosiek. It's that little red button down there. It's free, and I post new videos every single week. And it's glamoween on my channel right now, so that means new Halloween themed videos all the time during October, and I really hope you guys are liking it. I'm really loving doing all of these Halloween tutorials for you guys, and I really hope you guys enjoy them as well. If you guys would like to check out my old glamoween from years past, or some videos that I've already posted this year, I will link the playlist here. And I think I have over 50 videos now, so that's a lot. I also have Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. They're also at Beautybyjosiek, and I do most of my talking to y'all over there on those platforms. That is it. I'll see you guys in my next video. I love y'all. Bye!